Section 1. Budgeting Basics. Your financial roadmap. Budgeting is the cornerstone of financial health. It's the first step in taking control of your finances and ensuring that every dollar you earn is put to good use. A budget is a plan for your money. It's a detailed outline of your income and expenses, helping you to allocate funds for necessities, savings, and even some fun. It helps you decide how to spend and save. By tracking your spending habits, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. For families with low income, a budget is extra important. It ensures that essential needs are met first and helps in finding ways to stretch every dollar further. It helps you make every dollar count. By prioritizing your spending, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on what truly matters. Think of a budget like a map. Just as a map guides you to your destination, a budget guides you to your financial goals. It shows you where your money is going and helps you reach your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a new home, a child's education, or a dream vacation, a budget is your roadmap to success. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and fall into debt. The lack of a clear plan can lead to financial stress and uncertainty. Creating and sticking to a budget can be challenging, but it's possible. It requires commitment, regular review, and adjustments as needed. With some planning and discipline, you can take control of your finances and build a more secure future for your family. Remember, the journey to financial stability starts with a single step: creating your budget. From there, it's about making consistent, informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Over time, you'll find that budgeting not only helps you manage your money better, but also brings peace of mind and a sense of accomplishment. So, take that first step today and start mapping out your financial future. Section 2. Common money challenges for families. Low-income families often face tough financial challenges. Jobs may not pay enough. Unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills, can pop up. It can be hard to pay for basic needs like housing, food, and transportation. This can lead to stress and worry. But remember, you're not alone. Many families struggle with these issues. By understanding the challenges, you can start finding solutions. Section 3. Tracking your money. Know where it goes. Understanding where your money goes is the foundation of financial health. The first step to creating a budget is to track your income and expenses. This means being aware of every dollar that comes in and goes out. Write down all the money you receive each month. This includes your salary, government benefits, and any other income. It's important to be thorough and include even the smallest sources of income, like side gigs or freelance work. Next, track your expenses. Keep track of everything you spend money on. This means every single purchase, no matter how small. From your morning coffee to your monthly rent, every expense counts. From groceries and rent to entertainment and transportation, make sure to categorize your spending. This will help you see patterns and identify areas where you might be overspending. Tracking your spending helps you see where your money is going. By reviewing your bank statements and receipts, you can get a clear picture of your financial habits. This is crucial for making informed decisions about your money. This is important for making changes and saving more. Once you know where your money is going, you can start to make adjustments. Maybe you'll find that you're spending too much on dining out, or that you could save more by cutting back on subscriptions. By tracking your money, you can set realistic savings goals and work towards achieving them. Remember, the goal is to take control of your finances and make your money work for you. Section 4. Stretching your dollars. Smart spending tips. Saving money on everyday expenses is crucial for low-income families. Look for ways to cut costs on groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Buy generic brands at the grocery store. Cook meals at home instead of eating out. Walk or bike instead of driving whenever possible. Small changes like these can add up to big savings over time. Remember, every penny counts. Section 5. Needs versus wants. Spending wisely. When money is tight, it's important to prioritize your spending. Focus on your needs first, then consider your wants. Needs are things you must have to survive, like food, shelter, and clothing. Wants are things you would like to have but don't need, like cable TV or expensive clothes. By distinguishing between needs and wants, you can make conscious choices about where to spend your money. Section 6. Emergency Fund, your safety net. This section is crucial for anyone looking to secure their financial future. An emergency fund is a savings account specifically for unexpected expenses. These expenses can range from medical emergencies to sudden car repairs or even unexpected job loss. It acts as a safety net to help you cover financial emergencies without going into debt. Imagine the relief of knowing you have a cushion to fall back on when life throws you a curveball. Even with limited income, it's important to start building an emergency fund. You can start small. Even setting aside a few dollars each week can make a big difference over time. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This might seem daunting, but breaking it down into smaller, manageable goals can make it more achievable. Having an emergency fund can give you peace of mind and help you avoid financial disaster. It provides a sense of security, knowing that you are prepared for the unexpected. This fund is not just about money, it's about the confidence and stability it brings to your life. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your emergency fund to make saving easier. Celebrate small milestones along the way to keep yourself motivated. Remember, every little bit counts and brings you one step closer to financial security.